Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so what I want to do today is kind of give an update on one of the past videos that we had posted earlier last week. That one was the big one that I've made on ARKK, which is the ARK, and I kind of sent a message as well throughout the chats with, a nice breakdown on the thought process behind, the reversal on this 4 hour time frame. Basically on there, I gave some levels and I gave a reason as to why this would be, reversing in the next couple of weeks, and to make sure to, to keep on following through with all the levels. A lot of levels we're giving on this ticker, for everybody to follow, and not just the ticker, but also the holdings of the ARK. Okay, so I know a lot of people, follow Kathy, and this is her ETF that she manages. A lot of the big holdings that she has are things like Tesla, Roku, SQ, TWLO, Z, plenty others. Spot, some of the ones that we've been posting the past few swing plays. So that was the main thing, why I broke down ARK, because I saw a lot of potential in this specific sector. And while everybody else is out there trying to trade, other tickers like tech, I kept pointing out the potential that this would have for the risk to reward. The reward is pretty great, and the risk is very low. So when I made this video, I explained that the range was building here, between this like 105 level and then the bottom of this like 98 to the low of this 97. And this is the direction that I pointed out ARK, to keep track of, that this can potentially start reversing here. And yes, on this one, on this play, we actually took a loss on here. It was a 50% loss, but the next one ended up being green right here for this 105. And then, of course, this was not called out for the swing plays, but definitely was given a lot of levels and a proper breakdown for you guys to, continue to follow these positions. So when this was broken down, uh, let me just show you a few charts as to, where this started to trend change and why. So this was your drop base rally. So here was the retest here. So this was a nice potential trend change here on the 4 hour. And from the 105 level, we are basically at, 111 right now, to the high of like 111.50 area. But while you're seeing this trend change, okay, the trend change happened here. This was your little pop, and this is where we took a nice loss. It opened way below, levels that we had for a stop loss. But again, we still got enough opportunity to trade this for the long side. But this was your confirmation here over the 105 again. Last week on, I believe it was Thursday. But let's go look at some of the other tickers that follow ARK, and you're gonna see, why it's all trend changing, and the confirmation that you can have when you're trading an ETF, not only the ETF, but the rest of the stocks that will follow through. Okay, one of them being Tesla. Okay, so here we have Tesla, same thing. Okay, so we had this nice range here, right, all the way to like that 590 level, and then here was the same thing when trend change happened for Tesla, right? So Thursday, Friday we came down, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today we're popping off like crazy. So the trend change is still going very well for Tesla. Okay, so make sure you follow up on Tesla. Let me show you another one. This one was actually called out for a swing here on this day, from this like 93 level, and it's sold into profit at this 96.50 and to the high of like 97.30 yesterday, and then today hitting 98.40. So you see how like on Thursday, same thing. Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the trend change is happening for ARK, and the trend change is happening for these tickers as well. Even though with this drop, here's your base down at the bottom down here, and then here's your confirmation right here, right at this like 90.50 level, and it's still trending up. Okay, let me show you another one. Spot, same thing. This is another one that we were able to take a swing trade on. Okay, here on Friday the post was sent out, and then Monday we entered here, okay, and then we sold on Tuesday, okay. So now the confirmation is here. It didn't happen on Thursday. On Thursday it gave us a nice bullish candle, and then on Friday it gave us a lot of buyers here. Even on a smaller time frame, the consolidation on it was pretty hectic. Right here, Monday give you the confirmation, and then today is Wednesday, so now you have that retest. So now spot is actually trending back up to the target of around like 250 to the high of 260. So this definitely still has potential to run. Okay. The other one was TWLO that was posted as well. Here we go on Thursday. This was one of the entries, and then this was the target. Right here, if you guys paid attention, there was actually a video too that was posted on here. So here's your drop, here's your base, and then Thursday, and then Friday, Monday here we kind of just confirmed and then hit the high today of 335.69 area. So again, the reversal, the confirmation for the trend change is all here, and it's showing on the ARK holdings. So that's why it was a big reason why I posted that video on ARK for future potential. If you haven't checked out the video, please check it out. It's on the YouTube channel that we have, for the mustache swing alert bot. So here's another one. Here's Roku. Roku on Thursday, same thing, had a nice green day. Friday, your pullback, and then Monday just continued. So basically holding this nice trend to the top. Okay. TDOC is another one. Okay. So again, here's a nice drop. Here's a base here, and it's a slower mover, but nonetheless, it is still something that's just kind of trending up that has a lot of potential, to keep moving forward along with the ARK holdings. SQ is another one. Let me just show you here. Here's your downtrend, here's your base, and then here's your breakout on Monday, confirming this nice trend to the top side, now currently pushing up. The one that hasn't trend changed fully and completely yet is Z, and this is the one that message that was sent out yesterday over the 115. Yesterday we couldn't really get over that 115, but today we hit over the 115 to the high of like 116. Enough opportunity to take profits for a nice 14%. And then again, you can still hold this position, because if you can see this right on the 4-hour time frame, it's only we still got about 4 hours into the market, so we still have enough time to confirm this play. But check this out right here. Look, we're pressing up against this resistance here, and we pushed up, and now we're holding right above. So again, you're looking at the ARK ETF, and you're looking at the rest of the tickers that are following with it. Now, this is the only one that is falling a little bit behind, because I just showed you many tickers that already confirmed the trend change. Today, Z is actually pressing up against this resistance, which over the 116 and the 115, this has potential to keep on running all the way into the 120s. So, keeping that in mind, that look at this volume coming in. The volume is giving us a green candle. So for sure, we're going to look forward to a few more runs into the next few days. And again, it doesn't have to happen right away. This can literally, get rejected and still come down back into the 110 level down here. But that would mean that it will get a full rejection here. And, looking forward to that, you can still play the put side as long as ARK gets a red day. Now, if ARK continues to have a green day and the trend keeps continuing, then for sure, something like Z will definitely continue into the trend change. And this will give you a better entry, because this is the only one that's lagging so far from the rest that I just showed you guys. So that's why it's important, to keep on following with the sector and not just one specific stock. Take the time to do some due diligence and look around, look at the bigger picture, zoom out as to what's happening and the potential that you can have for the next few plays. And this is the biggest thing. When something drops, you create a base on the 4-hour, and you're on a weekly level, you have potential to have a reversal. So that reversal will give you enough opportunity to be able to buy the dip, sell into strength, get back in on the dip again, get back in for that swing, and you're going to continue to do that for a trend reversal as long as it can keep pushing up and up and up. So again, hopefully you guys took advantage of some of these plays that have been here. I know Tesla's probably been like the hottest one, and a lot of group chats are out there posting it. A lot of Instagram pages are posting Tesla profits and things like that. So understand what's happening on the bigger picture and know that ARK is trend changing along with Tesla. Tesla is one of the biggest holdings. So definitely look out for that and look for the ones that are lagging like Z. So if you guys are in this, congratulations, you guys took some profits. Congrats on ARK, congrats on Tesla. On a lot of these that we have been playing, Spot, these are all still good to be able to buy the dips. If you guys don't know how to buy the dip, if you guys don't know how to buy the breakouts, please, send us messages, DM us, whatever you guys need to do. Message us on the YouTube channel. Whatever you guys got to do to get a hold of us, that's fine. We can definitely provide a little more content when it comes to that. But again, our goal is to be able to capture some of the swing trades and try to get as much profit as we can. And just remember, when you guys are up 10%, 15%, 20%, make sure you set your own trail stops. Okay, don't let those contracts go red on you. Okay, that is the biggest thing that you must follow as a trader. Okay, remember, you are the only one pressing that button when you buy and sell something. Trail stop it, manage that risk, stay green. The goal is to stay green, not to capture greed. Okay, so remember that, team. Please, please, please. Continue to take some of those profits, continue to cut losses at trigger levels where we put them, things like that. So if you go heavy, scale out some and don't go too heavy overnight. If you get in the next day, go ahead and scale some in and scale some out. Be wise about using those same levels because the levels are there for you to even day trade and swing trade at the same time. So again, I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Hopefully you guys take some time to go look at ARK, and for sure please follow through with this because this trend is still your friend. If there's more green than red, then you should be in calls. If there's more red than green, then you should definitely be in puts. But for now, the trend is your friend. Continue to follow this until that changes, then you get stopped out. So thank you guys for joining us in the swing trades. Hopefully we can help each other grow and get some nice percentages on a consistent basis. And so far, the results have been amazing. So congrats to those who have been taking part of it. And if you guys are new to it, we look forward to growing some more with you guys. All right, guys, good luck. Hopefully you guys understand what's happening here versus a simple signal. Okay, the point is to educate, to learn and grow, and that's it. All right, guys, stay green and have a good rest of your day.